Over 7 crores stolen in one of the most daring heists that Bengaluru has seen. The city police, of course, however, have managed to crack this case. Over 5 crores in cash right here. The Bengaluru police commissioner, the two, joint commissioners, the DCPs, all of them who are involved, the commissioner says, have done a stupendous job to crack this case. But tell me, sir, right now there's a lot of question marks that are still being raised. That how can something so daring happen in the city of Bengaluru? You've arrested 3 people. Tell us their roles right now.
No, this is, I told you, they have done a proper planning. However, no matter how much planning you do, police, we are also in full force, and the city has an effective mechanism where we can track people. So our command center did an excellent job, and we got some clues initially, and based on those clues and based on human intelligence, we have cracked this case in the shortest time. I think so in 50 hours, everything has been, and we are hopeful of getting the rest amount also and the rest accused also.
Tell us about these 3 people who are involved. Was it an inside job? And how, is there also a deeper nexus as far as the CMS company itself is concerned?
Right now, as I told you, one of the person involved is one of the company members, officers, and one is an ex-employee. Still, we are looking into other angles also where they may be involved, other people may be involved.
Are you hopeful of getting or making the recovery of the remaining amount as well, over 1 crore?
When our officers have done such an excellent job, so I'm really hopeful. They have briefed me, and I'm following it up very closely. We are hopeful. We are hopeful.
Since one of your own men here has come under scrutiny, what is the message that you would like to send out? Is there going to be strict action that is going to be initiated against the constable that's involved here, sir?
See, not only scrutiny, that person has been arrested, and next the administrative actions will be followed. It's a very serious offence. He's being treated as like any other criminal, and this cannot be tolerated in the department. And this is a very, very serious issue which we are talking to the lower officers, the subordinate officers, why this has happened. But as of now, he is treated as a criminal. He has been arrested, and disciplinary action will be taken against him.
Last question: how long was this being planned, and how meticulously was this executed, sir? If you could tell us that.
It was planned, as per our information, close to about 3 months. Last 15 days they had done a recce also, perfect recce. However, the speed with which they did, they never realized that police will catch them so fast. So that is the reason that they were caught on this thing, and they were always on the run. And still they are on the run, but we'll get them.